Hello, I am Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this video is the end of the Student Services Program Review Year 5 update in eLumen, and it will show you how to publish and submit your Year 5 update. Per the instructional video, you already know where and how to access and log in to eLumen Program Review. Additionally, ensuring that your role is correct in eLumen as department coordinator, and you've selected the appropriate program or unit for your Student Services Program Review Year 5 update. For the purpose of these instructional videos for Student Services, I've selected the Counseling Office. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, you want to scroll down past all your sections to the end. Please note the last section does not have anything for you to complete, so there's nothing that you need to enter or upload or complete here. This merely is stating the instructions. If you previously received a resource allocation, you will be sent an email by the Business Services Office to offer a description as to how these allocated resources supported you in achieving your program goals. Again, there's nothing for you to complete for impact of resource allocation. You will receive a separate email from our Business Services Office if you received an allocation. So now that I have completed my program review, I am ready to publish it. Ensuring by scrolling through that I've completed all the required sections. I scroll back up to the top using the right-hand scroll bar, and I select Publish All. By selecting Publish All, this will publish your program review, and it is now ready for your dean or supervisor to review. Please note your program review deadlines. These are provided in the Student Services eLumen guide, and they will also be provided throughout the trainings as reminders. Once you've published your program review, you can download a PDF of it by clicking on the link labeled Strategic Initiative Report. By clicking on this link, it will bring up the following screen. You want to select Print. And here you can either print it or save it as a PDF to your computer. I'm going to click Save as a PDF. And then it'll bring up the folder options I have on my computer. I click Save, and it will save it where indicated. After that's downloaded, I select the Back button. And now I'm back at my Student Services Program Review Year 5 Update completed template. This concludes the Student Services Program Review Year 5 Update in eLumen. If you are a student service program or unit that contains courses, you will need to watch the videos under Student Services on the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage that indicates Student Services with Courses. There are two sections of the instructional template that you have been provided in eLumen. There will be an introduction video included as well. Please feel free to contact me at brobertson@losmedanos.edu should you have any questions or issues with completing your Program Review Year 5 update in eLumen. There will be trainings provided to the Student Services Leadership Team, as well as department chairs and many other program department unit leads. Should you require a one-on-one or Zoom appointment, please feel free to contact me via email, again at brobertson@losmedanos.edu. Thank you and have a great day.